What's up YouTube, it's Hunter from Double D Racing. Today we're going to be doing a little shift comparison video showing you the different shift methods and exactly how it compares to your times on the track. So we're going to be doing method 1, which is grabbing the clutch, letting go of the throttle, and then releasing the clutch, getting back on the throttle again. And then we're going to be doing the wide open throttle with slapping the clutch real fast. And then we're also going to be doing the holding the throttle wide open and pulling up on the shifter and hoping it shifts. Might have to blip the throttle a little bit. This is my 2007 Raptor 700. And we are at the Blair Bedford ATV Dirt Drags, BBDR. They actually give you out little time slips whenever you make your passes, so we'll be able to see a direct comparison to the shifting methods and the times that they produce on the track.